What's up, everybody? Hopefully this time you guys can hear me properly. Cool. Just want to make sure. Okie I'm up. Just making sure everywhere I'm up properly. Cool. So that was Halloween 2 theme music by John Carpenter. And we are going to continue with our Pyrat. Yesterday we were working towards the Pyrat TryHackMe, right? So let me just share. But before we go, I have interesting news for you guys. Yesterday, if you remember, hey Panda, oh, there's an ad. I need to remove. Fully. Okay. I've snoozed ads, so hopefully nobody else sees the ad. I need to remove that. I don't know how to remove that. 1 second. Okay, good now. Let me see if there are preload. Disable preload when I run ads. Okay, I have to check. Apologies about that. I don't know exactly how enable ad schedule. I thought I just did schedule once. Ad previewing. Yeah. So I thought like I have removed the ads and all those stuff, right? So apologies. I think I haven't set it up properly. But interesting thing I have is I have stream stickers ready for you guys today. So let's say if I'm on my own Twitch, let's say I go here, Twitch, and I go to my Hackers Pub. Like here you guys can see there will be a sticker. Like here you guys can see there will be a stickers here, right? So if you go, you don't need a bunch of these. You don't need to spend any bits. So you guys can play. This is like basically free for everyone. So if you see, like see this, it's funny, eh? So and there will be volume. I've reduced the volume, so not a lot of volume you will see, but that's just something I did for fun, right? For you guys to enjoy. You don't have to spend any bits or anything. And I don't know for how long they stay though. I think I should look into that. Right? It's probably giving a lot of people a lot of headache. Maybe I can quickly look too. But what do you think? Is it cool? You guys like it? And then also I can basically I can add other ones too. Let me know this is the plugin I'm using for this. Let's say if there are stickers, global stickers. If I'm gone only for volume to be 5%, stickiness for 10, I think, and 3. So everything should be free. Hopefully this is fun for you guys, right? As I'm doing this, you guys can put stickers. Let me know what is your feeling, how you like it. And till then, right, let's get into our Pyrat, which is fun. So let's start our attack box, and we had our own Kali as well running. And you guys can hear me today, right? You guys can hear me properly? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, mic. 1, 2, 3, mic. Okay, cool. Yes, you can hear me. Cool. So let's have this powering up, right? Our Kali Linux. Cool. So here we have, and we had find like at least think password. So we can use that, and we have to find like the roots password at this point. Basically continuing from that side. Okay, Kali is here. Come on. Yeah, this time it booted properly. That's our boy. Our bread and butter for this stream and hacking, right? Okay, so we have our Kali and we have our notes saved. It seems that your previous session ended up. Do you want to restore the available data? Yes. So, and we have this, right? From our restored data, we have like this username and stuff. So what we can do is also go open up the terminal as well as this. And let's go to cd desktop, sudo open VPN, Kali. And tomorrow, for next 3 days, there won't be any stream because, I'm busy with something else, personal stuff. Okay, this is good. This is good. And let me bring this up here. Cool. So we have our stuff, our tag box, our machine. And once we have the IP, basically we have to look for a root IP and our hint. Let me close this. Our hint was basically keep playing with the custom app. So this is our biggest hint. The app we have, the shell we get through them, like the Python one, that's where our stuff will be, our root password, our root flag. Who knows, one of those two things. And if we read through their system, right, a subsequent exploration yields valuable insight into the application's older version. Exploring possible endpoints using a custom script, the user can discover a special endpoint and ingeniously expand their exploration by fuzzing passwords. Okay. Exploring possible endpoints using a custom script. So basically using some custom script, we have to find, I'll just remove this here. Cool, it's fine. Okay, so let's get here. And I'm just waiting for, okay, the IP address is here. Now we can go to Kali. We know 8000 is working. Oh, not here. Actually, it's not working here. It's working here. So if we do netcat 8000. Oh wait, not even netcat. I think what we were doing was trying to connect it yesterday. Python. What are all the things we used? Not word list. I'm just trying to think things we used for our connection for this, right? Let me just play this on the side. Okay, cool. So to connect to the server, we had something else. IP 8000 netcat. No, if it wasn't netcat, then netcat was when we were trying to connect. What other things were there? SSH was not there. Then I think can be mentioned yesterday that we will be doing something different. That's it. To connect. Let me go to my previous video quickly. So basically here, I'll go quickly to Pyrat. Here should be here back. Not this, probably around here, right? Netcat. No, netcat, we did that. Found netcat. No. Okay, come on. Okay, it was netcat. So just and then 8,000. Okay, I think we are connected now. Interesting. Last time unknown 8,000 connection refused. NC and Netcat, are they different? Oh, NC versus Netcat. NCAT, NC, Netcat abbreviation is NC. So basically I was doing the right thing. NC and Netcat are two names of the same program. Yeah. One with the system to the other, blah, blah, blah. So I don't know why last time it failed that. Yeah, this, you can close this. So if I go end this, NC, now it worked. Okay. Probably the system was getting ready earlier. And this is Python code, right? We know Python and we have to play with this. So I'm just saying something endpoint. I have to do various words to type, like admin is one, think is not defined, root, flag. What are the other words we have to find? Something underscore endpoint. And there was one endpoint that gets stuck. So if you go to the GitHub exploration we did with the Pyrat, GitHub, we had this Pyrat toolkit, and if we looked at the pyrat.py file, right, we had the handle client with admins is one of those things. Switch case, admin data equals admin, blah, 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 shell. So if we get shell here, permission is not there. So can we do then su thing, password we have here, pirate. Root ls thing pyrat cannot open directory, this one. I just need to see what's inside that, right? And when we went to /dev opt /dev ls-al, we had .get. So oh, no, I think I have to go into .get because it won't work. And then ls star hooks. There are certain samples we have, blah, blah, blah. That's not needed. What we needed was like the heads and like the logs, right? Cat star. Here we had pyrat.py old, right? Get restore. Oh, first you have to go out. And it worked, right? There is no error. And we have pyrat.py old. So if we go pyrat.py .old, we just know client socket file 123 spawn bash with the shell. And then we have switch case with client socket data equals some endpoint. Check socket is admin and downgrade if not approved. UID approved. Okay, maybe that is our one. So if I go again with netcat and see, oh, no, this is not our IP. Let me copy paste the IP again. This is not here. Here. Our IP has changed. I'll just put it here. As well as I'll put it in this. 8,000. So now we have this, right? Till shell. How about approved? Approved is not defined. Admin is there. Root. Pyrat. Jose. Maybe Jose is a GitHub name. Nope, nothing. Something else happened. Wait. What did just happen though? So I typed Jose. Oh, this whole thing got copied. What I want is just this word. Jose is not defined. How about Naman23141? Maybe? Oh, this is cool. Activity this week. That's cool. Naman2341. Now, okay, now let's think from instead of like trying fuzzing, the fuzzing will come in the password time, maybe. Let's see. TryHackMe Pyrat. We have this, right? Okay, open this up. Let me just change the. This is still like, I think should be allowed. Huh. Using a custom script. Okay, so let's take help from Perplexity. I want, basically, I am in a CTF challenge and it has put me in a Python run environment where I can use any Python command or code and it will run it. There are some hidden special endpoints or like special keywords I have to find. Can you help me write a script to find those? Let's see. And give me 1 second, lads. I'm just taking a quick washroom break. Wait a minute. Quick washroom break. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Or maybe 3. Let me take 3 minutes. First stream elements. I'll put a timer quickly. What time is it? Right now 21. I'll put 25. Okay. Or maybe 26. Till then, hopefully you guys are enjoying. Sorry, I have to run. I'll run a quick. Thank you. Bye bye. Wait. Okay, it didn't work. Okay, I'm back. Ready? And one more thing I was looking actually. I don't know if you guys saw here. I just snoozed one. Um, I don't know why it's taking years to come. Preparing 3-minute ad break. No idea why. Should have canceled this. You guys can hear me though, right? Are you sure? You guys can hear me, right? Sure. Okay, good. Yeah. So we were at Kali, right? Um, Kali will be helping us write the keyword. Bulletin names, functions, blah, blah, blah. Want to do a brute force approach, one line. Okay. So dir list of all names in the current environment. If not, name starts with this, filter all done, blah blah blah, eval name. Usage. Be cautious using virus and trust environments that can execute arbitrary code. However, since your control, wait. Well, let's see what this will do. Captured output. Name captured output. Okay. Okay. What said captured output? Usage. Run this one liner in CTF and it will output all necessary names, their corresponding values. Look at the output for anything unusual, interesting. Uh, the name is actually keyword I am trying. 1 second. Trying to find is environment rather in a if else as a string. Write a one-liner Python code to help me with write a one-liner to help me check all words. Okay, let's see. So this one is basically brute force. Keyword is not defined. Okay. I need to type a better prompt, I believe. Okay, so start from scratch. I am in a Python environment. I want to look for an environment in so basically I have to first say I'm in a Python environment, right? It is created by a script to, to act like an app. So Basically, I can run any Python code, but if I type something like shell or admin, I will get a shell to the system and or I will reach admin page. But the thing is I want these words are not in Python. So because these words are not in Python, what I have to do is think about this way. It's about prompt engineering, right? So because the word is not in Python, what I have to do is so they are special words. Now I want you to write a one-liner Python code so I can find other such special words. So I have to change my prompt, right? This is something I've learned recently. I can run a Python code. So let's reach like this. Let's start from scratch. I'm in a Python environment. It is created by a script to act like an app. So basically I can run any Python code in it. I want you to write a one-liner. This first, like, okay, what exactly we are in the situation, what we wanted to do. Python Go, so I can find special character, special words. Example, if I type something like shell or admin, I will get a shell to the system or I will reach the admin page. But these words are not in Python, so they are special words. And in the script, it is checked using if condition. For example, if entered word, right, equal admin. Okay, let's see this. If this was, I understand now. You're looking for special word that triggers specific actions in the script, but aren't standard. So maybe this might work. Let's print. Name entered word is not found. Not found. Okay, print word of word shell in this. How about I just print? Okay, now let's rechange this. I just need to print maybe the word, so I don't have to if eval f word, if entered word in global. So I don't think I want to do this much. Let's see if with just this will work. These are special words, right? Oh, closing parenthesis. Where did I did wrong? There is one for this. Okay, got it. There should be one more here. One for word and one for the for loop. Copy. Hopefully you guys are able to follow me. Understand what I'm trying to do. Okay. Mm, let's ask perplexity in a better way. Remove the eval part. Just print words to show words and make environment think I typed them. Let's see this way. Sleep for 5.5 seconds. Shell, admin, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it entered all those till prompt. System didn't work, right? Just didn't work. I have to change something. Any idea how I can figure this in a better way? I well this the system. So once I tried one of the words, let's say system, I got nothing. I got command not found. Wait, what exactly was it? Name is not defined. Name S is not defined. Got and this should be command. So it's just printing. I need to find a way to do something, right? F word. This will print each word and rules, which should prevent Python from trying to evaluate them as variable. For example, no, I think this eval thing. Hmm. What this one did was something different actually. So my bad. I think let's evaluate this one more. This one, where is it? So we had this one, right? Entered word is not defined. Is word, enter word. If entered word is not defined. So this was our thing. Word in word, this. If eval this word, right, entered. Hmm. What if I remove this part? Let's see. Unexpected end of file. Is it not covering everything? Okay, this one covers this guy. This one covers this. Oh. Let's see this way. Passing. Okay. Why? Oh, shit. It's because of the space issue. That's Python. Yeah. So this one here is not defined. Hmm. It's just no, it's not doing the job. Custom script. So let's say if I'm inside a Python file. Let's say this. If I'm inside the Python file, right? And based on our findings here in this tab, we know there is an endpoint. Get this endpoint client socket. What this get this endpoint, right? And we have to find what this some endpoint might have changed to, if this is not working. So there has to be some, and it will get me the socket connection. If admin and downgrade, if it is not approved, let's say downgrade. Downgrade is not defined. Have to find something, lads. We have to do some other way. What do you guys think? Like, what can we do? Dive Insan, Rom Bhai, what's up? How you doing, brother? It's from YouTube. That's my boy right there. Uh, there's a bunch of words. Uh, so let's think about this way. If um, let's say I want to take input um in CDF challenge. Yes, and I am supposed to match the. I'm supposed to find the word. Find the word. How can I use some special characters? For example, if word is apples and I do something like a star should match. I know it is first letter of the word. Okay. Apples. Uh, Maybe A is not a valid string, maybe B, C, D, E, F, G. If apples, like I have to tell it right, like what I feel. Data is what I, data is variable during my input. Then should I do this? What do you guys think now? I'm good, bro. How you? How's everything? Good, bro. Busy. Super busy nowadays. It's been crazy for me. From last 2 weeks, I've been crazy, but it's good. I'm happy. Like I have work and I have work and everything, right? So I'm just happy about that at least. Yeah. Okay, wait. I will read this properly once you send me. Sorry, I have to read that properly. I will read that. Hey, if you find the letter, how about this way? Uh, write in one line. Okay, let's see that. Ah, what else I could do, right? If I'm in the Python file, I have to find something like THM, TryHackMe, admin. Okay, if I start another fresh one, right? NC. Oh boy. Okay, I have this. Finish a new one, sure, boss. Uh, Python dash dash version. I don't understand defined. What can I do else? Rand.env, env, uh, path. Okay, let's say if I close these ones. It's asking for password. Okay, I'll look at that too. Thank you, man. Thank you so much for the info. I'm just thinking, like, so now this is the password. This password I have to find. Whatever is the endpoint probably. So I have to find the root password. And the info is Fuzzing password. So how do I fuzz password? I think this is our one then. Right. Python. One-liner. Okay, let's see. Hello. Bye bye. Gotta go. Need to study for exam. Okay, all the best, bro. Thank you so much for joining, though. Thank you so much. I'll do the suggestions you sent. So thank you. Have a good one. Cheers. I'm just thinking. So we have admin, and I have password. No. Admin root. No. And kindly don't let your notification be visible in the live stream. Yeah, 100%. I know. I don't know why this is even like coming. I thought I paused it, but it's like maybe what I can do is notification. Just turn it off here. Off. Can you try sending me one more message? Let's see if this comes this time. Bye bye. But have a good day. All the best for exams. Let's see. It's not defined unless something. I have to find some way. Some endpoint maybe. So admin. So let's say if I do some underscore endpoint. Oh. Okay, let's ask help from the community. Let's see that. Room and in Pyrat room dot the user. Oh, roger that. Got a user. Um. Okay, one sec. Yeah. No problem. Sorry, I'm getting some personal messages. Yeah, let's try to get this thing fast restored. To um the environment. Was word password. Okay, I should not do this. You know, Uh, okay, till this is going, right? What will be the other ones? I'm just thinking. And there is like Pyrat here by Rat. Can LVP this Aspires Arrow easy. Okay, the challenge on DHA is great if you want to practice a bit of Python for penetration. I finished Python. I tried 3 times to solve it anyway. Okay. Okay, Byrod. Help archive. This is when a lot of people are ABC 1 to 3. Welcome admin. So that's our answer. Welcome admin. Try shell to begin. So this will give me root. Yeah, I'm root. So cat. I tried spending enough time, right? Like, but there are times when you have to give up. Okay, let's see. Password is ABC123, and if somebody says, hey, ask for password, receive, decode, accept exception, finally, if this, welcome admin and break. Okay. This is how it was written. So this is basically the fun is technically out, but at least we got the root flag. So if we can do cat root.txt, it's okay, I will say. Yeah, so I need to find a better way. Is it like has to be like I know the okay, because I see. So basically people were trying to like first password, so basically Hydra is the way, right? Okay, let's try that. Hydra. Okay, let me just increase the font for you guys first. And I just want to make sure you guys are not seeing any ads or anything today. As of now, to my knowledge, right? No ads, good. So, we were at Hydra, right? SSH. Enter the target to attack. File name with targets. Or file names with target. So, target I have is basically this guy here. Okay. Enter the username, admin, password, not sure. Wait, what's going on? So, I thought Hydra is for SSH, right? Brute force, search, Kali, what will be the right one? Hydra is the one. Okay. So let's do that. Pass try password pass, load several passwords from file, colon separated, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I see. My bad. Password list I can provide. Slash user slash share slash word list, I guess. Now I will go with the sec list. Fuzzing. 4 digits. No, 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 no. Car. I will say I want to find some common ones. Extension test, operating system name, file extensions. No. Completed in files. Injection databases. Login bypass. Huh. Fuzz. It doesn't have here, so let me go back. Instead of fuzzing, I will go with passwords. So let's go with common. There should be something with common, right? Books, no. Common corporate password list, right? Maybe. Uh, okay, common credentials. Let's see. 10K most common. Let's see that, right? And then we have first, also we have user should be admin. So that would be bad from my side if it didn't work. Admin, and then we have SH. Colon slash slash. Oh, never mind. Here we'll use the IP address. Okay. Restore from previous file. Max 16 attacks per one server. Overall 16 tries per task. Okay, let's see. Till this is running, what we can do is we can go and enter our flag here. And the flag we found was this guy. Okay. Da, 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 da. Yeah. Cool. Let's go. Pyrat is done as well, ladies and gentlemen. So let's just wait for a result to come. Okay, let me take a good screenshot here. Cool. So as this is going on, at least we can look into the Hydra. Status, 15 active. I want to see what other things I can do other than with Hydra. Okay, let's see. I have to go Hydra. Task, run task number of connects in parallel for target. Default is 16. Maybe I can do bigger number for task. If I cancel this one and I go T, I'll go before this T 100 or 160. Let's see. 64 is max. Okay. Let's see. Okay, 157 tries. So earlier we had per task 625, but we only had 16. Now we have 64 tasks and 157. That's big. That's different. So how much is that for difference? So 16 times 657, 1,154. And what about, let's say now, 157 times 64? I think this should be bigger. Really? Oh, my bad, 157. The same almost. It's crazy. Per one server. Hopefully this one returns us something, but let's just see if any. I'm stuck with Pyrat. Found first flag and I found too little part of the source code that run on the server. How to exploit it? There's a good way to escalate as root. I can get the shell inside Python, but it's always the way when I tried spoof. Okay. Question. Please be mindful. General guideline is not to ask for hints for the first 72 hours. Too early for hints. Okay. This is okay. And this was even before that. That's crazy. And 3rd October, that's my date of birth. Mm-hmm. Okay. And this guy gave all the answers. This is stupid. So admin this. I want to try to get proof. Tried. This one, RockU added. S3 post form login user password this. But it's passing. You need a custom script for that. Hydra won't cut it. But when I did that room, I wrote a Python script to brute force the endpoint admin. Then wrote another script for to brute force the password. You can do it without brute force. On CyberChef, this. That's different, I guess. But here, mere malware, right? So there are other ways to do it. Basically, with the other ways, probably one thing they have tried with is there must be something interesting way. Glitch. Hey, Python room guys trying. Hmm. Okay, dandy. So I found the little part, source code, blah blah blah. So not much. Yeah, lastly there was one that state CSG. Mm-hmm. Pyrat, help archive. What is this help archive thing? That's funny. Okay, let's see if Hydra has returned anything. Uh, Not yet. Hmm. So this one is about what are they doing in this space? I don't know what this archive thing does. Stupid. Maybe. It's just hung. Mm-hmm. Web attack box. Oh, that's different. That's not helpful to us. And I haven't got anything yet. So let's see what this guy has. Oh, no. So with the Python, this one, what I can do is close this and look at some of the write-ups here itself. Joseph itself. So let's read the one with Joseph by Joseph, I guess. This is Joseph, right? So Pyrat enumeration. We have this. Get is not defined. It's not a normal HTTP server, so let's Google it. X is not defined error in Python. You need to make sure the variable is properly defined. Value before this. 8. Reverse shell. We got a reverse shell too. Right, and then we found OPT. CD config thing, and we got the password. If you download GitHub your machine, we can see there is a commit to it. Git show. And there's some endpoint, right? So it is the old version of the application. It means we must type shell while connecting to the app with this, right? So it will give us the shell. On this process, you can see that root is running the process, but lets us into the machine. Let's grab it. PS grab Pyrat. Okay. Root Python 3. Okay. That's what we did too. So if root is running it, then there's something we could do to get it run code as root for us. So maybe can I use Python to give myself root privilege? So since we saw the endpoint existed in the old version, we can fuzz other endpoints. So I can write a Python script on other endpoints. Okay. Send word socket address we define word dot encode. Okay. Sent and received. So I have to look into this one. This is a main file. So here I'll type this for you guys as well to go through this. Let me type. Where's YouTube? Oh, here. Here you go. Namaste, Sarji. Let's go. Howdy, boss. Namaste, namaste, namaste. Yo, I turned off the notification, so hopefully there are no more notifications. So, but good part is we found like this way that we can run. So this way, what we have to do is basically run the Python code inside the machine to get the fuzz words. Old version, you can fuzz on the other side, right? IP address. It's create a socket. Just like we have netcat and keep sending the words. I've added this function script for fuzz password, so admin and code. If password in response, client send all password, basically password from the thing. If not password, password is this. Okay, running the code. I see how they did it. Cool. This is a good one, I think then. So this is, I'll just put this in my room. Introduction, YouTube video, server access, rules, info, just chatting. First. Okay, so that's good. That's all, lads. So we got our info. We got like, okay, this is what we can try over the Sunday for Python, because we will be learning, going over some Python stuff in future, as I started going over Hugging Faces and deep learning, those two, right? So in future, basically from Sunday, we will be looking more into AI and hacking and Python coding and maybe lead code too, who knows. But yeah, that was all for today. And apologize for such a small stream, but I have just too many things for this weekend planned. But after that, I will be free. So thank you so much. Hope to see you guys on Sunday, or sorry, Monday, actually. And then that's, I guess that's all. Thank you so much for joining, and see you tomorrow. And if you have any questions, feel free. I'm just going to run a quick ad, right? I skipped a bunch of ads today. So I'm just going to run this quick ad. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me for YouTube. Bye. I'm going to close YouTube. Twitch will be on for that. Thank you.